Welcome to our channel. If you are traveling abroad and need to access your Navy Federal Credit Union account, follow these step-by-step instructions to log in securely and avoid any access issues. Step 1. Before you travel, notify Navy Federal Credit Union of your travel plans. You can do this by logging into your account online or calling customer service at 1-888-842-6328. Informing them helps prevent your account from being flagged for suspicious activity when you log in from a foreign location. Step 2. When you are abroad, open your web browser or the Navy Federal mobile app. Make sure you are connected to a secure internet connection, preferably a private network or a VPN for added security. Step 3. Go to the Navy Federal Credit Union website or open the mobile app. Enter your username and password to log in to your account. Step 4. Navy Federal may send a verification code to your registered mobile phone number or email address as part of their two-factor authentication process. Make sure you have access to your phone or email while traveling to receive this code. Step 5. Enter the verification code when prompted to complete the login process. If you do not receive the code, check your spam folder or request a new code. Step 6. Once logged in, you can view your account balances, transfer funds, pay bills, and manage your accounts just as you would from home. Step 7. If you encounter any issues logging in or accessing your account, contact Navy Federal Customer Service immediately. They offer 24/7 support and can assist with access problems, security concerns, or travel-related account questions. Step 8. After you return from your trip, it is a good idea to log in again and review your account activity to ensure there were no unauthorized transactions. Update your contact information if needed and remove travel notifications if they were set. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.